Welcome to the future of market research with QuestDIY by the Harris Poll. Surveys have never been faster, easier, or more cost-effective. QuestDIY uses cutting-edge AI to make survey creation a breeze. The AI assistant suggests improvements, drafts surveys, and fine-tunes questions to ensure you get the best responses, all in record time. Jump in with customizable templates by researchers at the Harris Poll and a variety of question types. Want to engage your audience even more? Add image and video questions for a truly interactive experience. Need to reach over 100 countries in a snap? QuestDIY brings you global insights with just a few clicks. One platform, 100+ countries, limitless possibilities. With multi-language support, your survey will break language barriers and reach global audiences faster than ever. But that's just the beginning. With real-time pricing and feasibility checks, you'll make decisions on the spot. No waiting, no delays, no fuss. With real consumer feedback in as little as 4 to 5 hours to complete, and depending on your audience, it may be even faster. With double opted-in respondents and top-tier quality control checks, you can trust your findings and make more accurate decisions. QuestDIY by the Harris Poll. Smarter, faster, and easier research. The future is just a click away.